Testosterone is the king of muscle-building hormones. If you want more strength, more energy, faster recovery, and leaner gains, you need to maximize your natural testosterone production. In this video, I'll show you the science-backed ways to boost testosterone naturally, from training methods to sleep, diet, and supplements. When it comes to forging a high testosterone physique, your training must be built on a foundation of heavy, multi-joint compound movements. We're talking about the kings of the gym: squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and overhead presses. Why are these so effective? Because they recruit the largest muscle groups in your body, your legs, back, and chest, all at once. This massive muscular activation sends a powerful survival signal to your endocrine system. Your body's response is to unleash a potent hormonal cascade, flooding your system with testosterone and growth hormone to help you adapt and grow stronger. This isn't just about lifting weights, it's about creating a systemic, body-wide anabolic response. The principle of progressive overload is your guiding star here. You must consistently challenge your body by adding more weight or reps over time to keep this hormonal signal strong. The science backs this up unequivocally. A landmark study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research demonstrated that protocols involving heavy loads and high volume significantly elevated both testosterone and growth hormone in the crucial post-workout window. This acute spike is critical. It creates the ideal anabolic environment for muscle protein synthesis, repairing the micro tears in your muscles and building them back bigger and stronger. Think of it as opening a hormonal floodgate that accelerates your results. Over time, building more lean muscle mass itself contributes to higher baseline testosterone levels, creating a powerful positive feedback loop for long-term vitality. So, what does this look like in practice? For optimal results, structure your week around 3 to 4 strength training sessions. This frequency provides enough stimulus for growth while allowing crucial time for recovery, where the real magic happens. The intensity should be high. You need to be lifting in the range of 70 to 85% of your 1 rep max, which typically corresponds to a rep range of 5 to 10 reps per set. This is the sweet spot for hypertrophic and hormonal response. Equally important are your rest periods. Keep them relatively short, between 60 to 90 seconds. This maintains metabolic stress and keeps your heart rate elevated, further amplifying the release of anabolic hormones. Now let's talk cardio. Endless hours on the treadmill can be counterproductive. Chronic, long-duration endurance exercise can elevate cortisol, a stress hormone that is catabolic and acts as a direct antagonist to testosterone. The smarter solution is high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. This is your secret weapon for torching fat while simultaneously boosting T levels. Instead of a slow burn, HIIT involves short, explosive bursts of maximum effort. For your weekly routine, incorporate 2 HIIT sessions on non-lifting days. A classic protocol is 30 seconds of all-out effort. Think battle ropes, kettlebell swings, or sprints on an assault bike, followed by 90 seconds of active recovery. Repeat this cycle 8 to 10 times. The key is pushing to your absolute limit during the work intervals to trigger that powerful hormonal surge. Let's talk about the foundational pillars of hormonal health, starting the moment your head hits the pillow. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a biological necessity. If you're not sleeping enough, your testosterone takes a nosedive. A landmark study found that healthy young men who slept only 5 hours per night had their testosterone levels drop by 10 to 15% in just 1 week. That's the hormonal equivalent of aging more than a decade in just 7 days. Your goal must be 7 to 9 hours of sleep. The majority of your daily testosterone release is synchronized with your deep sleep cycles. Cut sleep short, and you're robbing your body of its prime testosterone-producing time. To protect it, create a sleep sanctuary. This means a non-negotiable wind-down routine. An hour before bed, all screens go off. The blue light disrupts your sleep hormone melatonin. Instead, read a physical book. Turn your bedroom into a cave. Pitch black, silent, and cool. Ideally around 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 Celsius. This is a critical command for hormonal optimization. Next, we conquer testosterone's arch nemesis: chronic stress and the hormone it unleashes, cortisol. Think of cortisol as the ultimate gains goblin. While acute stress from a workout is fine, chronic stress from life keeps cortisol elevated. This is catastrophic. Cortisol and testosterone are locked in a hormonal tug-of-war. They're even produced from the same precursor hormone. When your body constantly pumps out cortisol, it steals the raw materials that should be used for testosterone. This is why chronic stress literally eats away at your muscle gains. So you must actively manage stress to keep cortisol in check and your body in an anabolic state. Build a toolkit. Meditation is a powerful weapon. Just 10 minutes a day can rewire your stress response. Master your breath with box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. This immediately lowers cortisol. Incorporate restorative practices like yoga or a simple 10-minute walk in nature. The goal isn't to eliminate stress, it's to build the resilience to handle it, protecting your testosterone and your hard-earned gains. Your diet is the foundation. Protein doesn't just build muscle, it supports testosterone by providing amino acids necessary for hormone production. Aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day, about 0.7 to 1 gram per pound. Testosterone is made from cholesterol. Diets too low in fat can tank testosterone. Include eggs, avocados, nuts, olive oil, and fatty fish. Zinc, vitamin D, and magnesium are critical for testosterone production. Think oysters, red meat, spinach, and sunlight exposure. Let's dive into advanced strategies, starting with a critical factor: your body composition. Carrying excess body fat, especially visceral fat around your belly, is a primary antagonist to healthy testosterone. This is because fat tissue contains an enzyme called aromatase, which actively converts your valuable testosterone into estrogen. The more body fat you carry, the more active this enzyme becomes, creating a vicious cycle. To break this cycle and optimize your hormonal environment, aim to maintain a body fat percentage in the 10 to 15% range. This is the sweet spot for most men. Next, a common habit that sabotages progress: alcohol. Chronic consumption is a direct assault on your testosterone. Alcohol is toxic to the Leydig cells in your testes, the very factories where testosterone is produced. It also disrupts the hormonal signals from your brain telling those factories to work. Even a single binge can drop testosterone for up to 24 hours, and it consistently wrecks your sleep quality, the critical period for testosterone production. If you drink, strict moderation is key to protecting your hormonal health. Now for supplements. Remember, they are meant to a solid foundation, not replace it. Strategic use can fill crucial gaps. Many are deficient in vitamin D3, which functions like a hormone and is directly linked to T levels. Zinc is a critical mineral for testosterone production itself. Magnesium improves sleep and can help increase free, usable testosterone. To combat stress, the adaptogen ashwagandha can lower the testosterone-killing hormone cortisol. Finally, creatine enhances gym performance, allowing you to train harder and provide a stronger stimulus for hormonal adaptation. Finally, testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT. This is a serious medical intervention, not a shortcut. If you suffer from persistent symptoms and blood tests confirm you are clinically low, TRT can be life-changing under a doctor's care. However, it's a significant commitment with risks, including shutting down your natural production and impacting fertility. It is not a decision to be taken lightly. Before ever considering this path, exhaust all natural strategies. Your first and only step should be a thorough consultation with a medical professional. Let's recap. To maximize your natural testosterone, lift heavy with compound movements, add HIIT, sleep 7 to 9 hours, manage stress, eat a balanced diet with protein and healthy fats. Stay lean, avoid excess alcohol, use supplements wisely. If you combine these habits, your testosterone levels, muscle growth, and energy will skyrocket. Hit that like button, subscribe for more science-backed fitness content, and comment below with what strategy you'll start today. Train smart and stay strong.